there everyone, welcome to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. I'm on another first. I have got my very first deep edge canvas. I've never used one before and I wanted to see if it made a difference to the outcome of the painting, and I think the real difference is going to be when the painting's finished and how different it looks on the wall, because obviously a deep edge canvas is going to sit further off the wall than another one. So as I was doing the first, I decided to use up some paints that I've had that I was using for a commission and just, I don't know, add a bit of zingy zang in there. So base coat is a split base coat. I will be using the Lumiere metallic olive green along with the ArtArchemy, and I believe this one is, oh my goodness, it is brass. So those two together, wow, bing! They are beautiful. I think they're going to look really good together. Onto those, I'm sticking with neutrals. So the first one I am going to put on will be a mix of the Deco Art Dazzling Metallic Rich Espresso along with the Deco Art Dark Chocolate. Non-metallic, this one, dark chocolate. So I'm putting those two together. It's a fave of mine. I love the combination of those two. I'm then going to put the Deco Art Metallic White Pearl. I am then going to put the Deco Art Metallic Mink Pearl. And I'm then going to put the Golden Iridescent Silver Fine. Let's have a look at these together. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful neutrals. And then, guys, I'm going to blow it out with the hairdryer. Going for the hairdryer. So I'm just popping all my paints away. I am going to lay the base down. Oh my goodness. We'll keep our fingers crossed it works. And let's go for it.
It's the time, it's the season for you to come home to me, come back home to me. No pressure, there's no reason other than I want to see just what you do to me. Bring a smile, bring me out of myself. Bring me to the edge till I hold my breath and sing. It's the time, it's the season for you to run right through me. I love how you move me around, around, around. Move me around, around, around. Everyone can see how I feel about you. Everyone can hear when you're near. I can never stay cool. When you come around, it's so clear I'm the color of you. Everyone can see how I feel about you. It's so easy for you to come home to me, come back home to me. People change, get so needy, but I know how to wait, so let them go crazy. Make me smile and I'll give you my best. I'll take my time and I'll push my fears away till the time, till the season when you come back to me. I love how you move me around, around, around.
that was a save. It was starting to look muddy, but I don't think it was because I'd overworked it. I think it's more to do with the colours that I use. But tilting it has kind of cleared it, if you like, and made the colours a bit sharper. But you know, I'm still not 100% happy with it. Let's see what else I can do. Okay, sorry, I lost video. As you can see, I decided to swipe it. I just don't know what it is about this painting, but something's just not sitting right with me. But I'm not going to give up. I want to keep going. We'll see. Maybe I'll scrape further on if I don't get it right this time. But you know, you can't give up too easily. You got to give it a really good go. So the hairdryer didn't work, tilting didn't work, swiping didn't work. We've only got one left. That's a cup pour. Let's try that. Maybe that will work. And it's a cup pour with a difference. I don't care about the reason why. I don't care when it's so cold outside. Baby, you're my burning light. Baby, you're my burning light. Do 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 do. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. I am really pleased at long last. To me, looking at it, it looks as if it's like maybe the tide has gone out, or it's just coming in, or it's a rainy day on a beach. It's very much got that feel about it. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with me until the end. Eventually we got there. When you get paintings like this, there's that determination keeps you going through. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And until next time, take care. You're my burning light.